So I somehow got this Optiplex GXa running again. It's just not turned on or anything for the past, gosh, I don't know. It's been in storage for years, but it's working now. I mean, it's detecting the Pentium. It's got, I don't think the drives are plugged in, but this is weird. I've never seen a computer do this. I think the BIOS chip might be faulty. I don't know, but those are supposed to be minutes, and it's going really fast. So maybe if I reset the clock battery, or not the clock battery, reset the CMOS and put in a new clock battery, maybe it'll work fine. I don't know. I'm just happy it's working again. So I don't know if you can see it in there, but I got a new CR2032. And the hard drives were not getting recognized, or the hard drive was not getting recognized because it was not plugged in. So yeah, this one has upgraded memory for the video, which is a 3D Rage Pro Turbo. No, it's just a 3D Rage Pro. Okay, well I might throw TNT2 in there because I got a couple that are PCI. And we got ourselves a filthy Dell quiet key right here that was left out in the rain. Just to go with the Dell theme. Shit, forgot to plug it in. I should probably do that. I don't know. I don't know if this will fix the problem I was having. I'm just kind of relieved that this even works. Let's go into Control Alt Enter, which is interesting. Their own little tick, and Control Alt Delete. ATI Rage Pro and a Pentium 2 333 megahertz. Kind of overkill on the system memory here, but that's all it got in terms of SD RAM right now, and I'm happy it recognized it. Video memory 2 megabytes, so I don't know if it's recognizing that in there. See, we got a little expansion module. I'm just gonna go ahead and power it off real quick. And make sure it's totally powered off. Take that out of there. Good thing we did that because there was still a bit of charge left in there. We'll get to see. Actually, no, we won't. I was about to say we'll get to see if the CMOS battery even holds charge, but I'd never set the date, so maybe this is just a 1 megabyte little sim or RAM stick, whatever. I don't know what it is. I don't know what you call those. They're their own thing. Well, let's see, because I'm probably just gonna replace this anyways with a better graphics card. Control Alt Enter. Keyboard stuck key failure. Well, I know this was left out in the rain. It's pretty gnarly, but it seems to work. I just want to get into setup. Yeah, so it's not recognizing this. Yeah, that's a little odd. Why the time is doing that. It's gonna go far more in the future than I would like for it to. Well, it doesn't matter now because now it's gonna go straight to 1 AM. Yep. That is way more than double. I've seen people online saying like they have it double speed, but that is like, I don't know what that is. That's some kind of speed. It's going up more than a multiplier would suggest. I mean, just sitting here for a couple seconds, we've gone up 5 hours. Very odd. Oh, look at that. Maybe there's a capacitor that's gone bad on this board. I don't know. These all look pretty good though. Oh, these Nichicons. Let's see this side here. Yep, those are Nichicons. They don't look bulged. This pretty much kind of predates the capacitor plague. This is made in 1998. Which, I mean, that's kind of, yeah. Ooh, and I am seeing something right here though. This little crystal right here, whatever this is. Pretty sure that's a crystal. That clock crystal looks dented. I don't know if you can see that. Yes, that is very much dented. That would definitely do something to it, so. Well, I'll have to get the coat off of that and figure out how the hell would you desolder that. Or is it just socketed in there? I don't know. Yeah, that definitely looks like it would be a problem. And it's probably from, you know, this whole daughter board solution. Damn. That makes a lot of sense. Yeah, so now it's not working at all. Kind of like what it was doing. I don't know why it just randomly started working. But that's just the nature of these computers, I guess. I have identified it to be that. I mean, I just showed you, but that is definitely a problem. That's not a good thing to see. And I'm guessing with like the whole entire force of that hitting that bigger crystal, it might have affected that smaller crystal too, because I got this card over here. It's a GeForce 4 MX440. And there's nothing wrong with it. All the caps look great on it. But there's one thing wrong, and it's that little crystal. So yeah. This guy right here works fine though. That's a Radeon 9600. But this one, nope. I was gonna put one of these guys into it, but I don't think so now. It's not even booting. I have it plugged in. It's not even turning on when you press power. Damn. It's just a shame though. I like this computer. I was kind of happy that it started working out of nowhere, but nope, not now. I didn't even get to see what I last had on it. Oh, it's also missing this little piece right here. I lost it a long time ago when I first got this. I took the faceplate off, and which is kind of easy. You just like press this thing up here, which I think that broke because it's all electrical tapes, but yeah, this is held together with tape and glue, but not too shabby in terms of like dust and everything in it. It was stored alright, in pretty decent conditions, but missing that button right there, which I'm pretty sure you can't just buy the button or even the faceplate anymore. It's interchangeable with the GX1, but I don't even think they sell those. So, kind of limited to this being half working all the time. I don't know. My last ditch effort, I am going to put this video memory module back in. Maybe that'll coax it into working. Other than that, I don't think it's going to work at all now. Kind of like what it did before. Nope. Shame on you, Dell. Shame on you. Well, shame on me because I'm pretty sure I'm the one who did that. Still don't know how I did that though. Parallel tasking.